Here are 9 gadgets criminals use that should be banned from Amazon. These gadgets are being used to hack digital devices, track people, pick locks, spy, impersonate police cars, and so much more. And as always, we've put Amazon links to all the gadgets in the description below. License plate flipper. We've all seen it in the movies, like in this one where Q shows James Bond his new car. By the simple push of a button, the license plate will automatically flip in seconds. You may think, those are perfect for those unconstitutional speed cameras, I'll never pay at a toll booth again. Or, a great way to get away from a police car. But think twice, because these are highly illegal, and multiple people have been caught and arrested for using them. These license plate flippers are still available on Amazon for a price of $126. Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker. If you're a stalker, then this gadget is made for you. This small and discreet GPS tracker is perfect for tracking yours, or other people's cars for that sake. The tracker is magnetic, which is super simple to mount to any kind of vehicle. It's also fully waterproof, so rainy days aren't a problem. You can easily watch the tracker's location in real time by using their mobile app. Since the tracker uses super fast 4G networks across the US, Canada, and Mexico, you won't miss any important data when traveling across state and country lines. Get this GPS tracker on Amazon for only $20. USB charger with camera. This may look like a regular USB charger, but that's far from the truth. This USB charger is equipped with a tiny discreet full HD camera. Through an SD card, it can record continuously. The Spy charger can easily be connected to their app, which lets you access live view video as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. The video quality is actually pretty good considering how tiny the camera is. Its 140-degree wide-angle lens also makes it a great hidden security camera. Another great feature is that you will receive a push notification with a still life photo every time the camera detects motion in the room. This spy camera sells for $43 on Amazon. Flipper Zero. This gadget has gone viral on TikTok, where people have used it to control cars, projectors, and door locks. This multifunctional hacking tool lets you control almost any digital device. The Flipper Zero makes it really easy to clone keys and cards. For example, if someone has a credit card in their pocket, simply hold the flipper close to the pocket and it'll clone their card into the flipper. So when you go shopping afterwards, you simply hold the flipper close to the credit card terminal and their card will be charged. eBay's recently banned the Flipper Zero from their site and are now deactivating accounts that try to sell it. Nevertheless, even though eBay's banned the Flipper Zero, it's still available to buy on Amazon. And if you want to grab one of these, it's gonna cost you $285. Flashlight Stun Gun. At first glance, this may look like a regular flashlight, but that's only half true. Yes, it's an 80-lumen LED flashlight, but it's also a powerful stun gun. It emits electrical currents towards the target, which can buy you some time to get away to safety. They also have handy accessories like a wrist strap, belt clip, and a holster, which makes it easy for you to wear the stun gun during those late-night walks. This stun gun comes at a price of $24. Lock-picking kit. Have you ever dreamt about learning the art of lock-picking? The satisfying feeling when a lock finally opens after hours of picking with a hook and a rake is hard to describe. Picking locks aren't rocket science, and everyone can learn it using this simple kit. We hope you stick to only picking your own locks, even though it can be tempting to try it out elsewhere. As you probably understand, a lot of people are using this kit for illegal activities, so there's a chance this gadget will be banned from Amazon soon. You can buy the lockpicking kit for $40 on Amazon. Emergency strobe lights. These cool LED strobe lights will transform your car into a police car. Using suction cups, it's easy to mount on the window of your car. It's powered through a convenient 12-volt cigarette plug. There are 15 different flashing modes to choose from, in addition to having other color options such as orange, blue, and white. But we must warn you that it's highly illegal to impersonate the police, so we recommend that you don't use these lights in public. If you still want to impersonate a police car, these lights are going to cost you $30, and probably a few years in jail. Powerful blue laser. This is not a regular laser and definitely not a toy. This is one of the most powerful lasers on the market. It's so powerful that it can light matches and burn through objects. The laser comes with a briefcase which includes the battery, charger, safety glasses, and 5 different star caps with adjustable focus, which turns the laser into a star projector. Be aware that powerful lasers over 1 megawatt are illegal to own in many countries, a part of the reason being that people use them to point at aircrafts and cars, which can cause terrible accidents. Did you know that Australia has the strictest laws when it comes to lasers? Powerful lasers quantify as weapons there, and you can face up to 2 years in prison for just carrying it in public. Anyways, this powerful blue laser sells on Amazon for $70. Tera Pump. Have you ever wondered how thieves are able to steal fuel? This electric fuel transfer pump can transfer fuel from a car and into a gas can at a rate of 2.4 gallons or 9.2 liters per minute, which means it can drain a car's fuel tank in no time. The pump has a flexible intake hose, so it fits almost any gas can. It also has a smart auto-stop sensor that automatically stops transferring fuel if your gas can's full, preventing spillage and overflow. The Tera Pump comes at a price of $85. That's a wrap for this video. Comment below what type of gadgets we should cover next, and as mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can find the Amazon links to all of these gadgets in the description below. Here's some other gadget videos you should watch if you haven't already, and consider subscribing and smashing that like button. See you in the next video.